Hello Gemini, Aquarius and Libra. Welcome to the place. The Seychelles speaks messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Bharat Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and before we proceed, this is going to be right from 20th of September 2021 and so on. Okay, and follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Seychelles Running. Okay, this one card flipped. Alright. And I'm going to use this particular deck I've been shuffling. I have this message that it was and is hard for them. Okay? Something is hard or was hard for the person. To continue something, to be at distance, to not talk, to deal. As an individual, someone over here went through a lot of things within themselves on their own, kind of. This may happen or happened with you or with the person. This may go vice versa as well, kind of like possible for both of you. Okay, it depends what you are going through with the timeline and all that stuff. These are general vibes, guys, so may or may not resonate with all of you, but let's take it slow. Something is still out of reach, kind of energy for someone here. Okay, now it was difficult for them, I heard that. Then I saw like a glass of water, and with something with the strength, kind of someone is putting that on table or something like that, and water splashed out of the glass basically. So it was not a lot of water, but still it splashed out because someone was in hurry, kind of drinking that, keeping that like this, because it is hard to bear. I feel like maybe this is communication, lost communication with the person. Maybe this is someone who is trying to work it out, kind of energy, like let's work it out, let's cooperate, like any kind of situation right now in your life. Again, it may be relationships or work related. Okay, so I get this message of like water is out. Now one thing is for sure, there's a water sign here around you. So possible Cancerian, Piscean, Scorpion is here. I've been doing readings for so long, so some of you might be getting or dealing with such sign or emotional situation, of course, but I have to give the sign. Okay, so with the glass concept here, it was not breaking, so I feel like something is still strong or something is still connected. Strong in a way, maybe you're married and registered. Okay, so it's like marriage is registered here, or certain kind of relationship is here, or maybe this is about business concepts or profit sharing ratio deals. Now I feel like it's not breaking even after, it was like a wine glass or kind of, but there was water. Okay, I feel like it's something universal glass and you use that, but when you keep that like this, it was not breaking, the base was still same, which makes sense here that even though someone wanted to break it, or they had that much of agitation or anger or tension here or stress, but still they don't want it to break. Okay, so something was not breaking much, but making sound like this. Okay, but was not breaking, which makes sense here that still the connectivity is here, or they want it to continue. I feel someone does want this continuation. I feel like there is one person, obviously, because they were holding that glass. Now we're going to see there is someone who is trying to express, or they will try to express something to you. Now the mysterious card is this. You have this Lover, and when I was shuffling, the deck is erect. Okay, but when I was shuffling, this card flipped out in this position, which is reversed. Yes, when you are going to see it, it's erect, but when I'm seeing it, it's reversed. So I'm going to show you first reverse, Lover, and erect is this. Okay, so I feel like someone is feeling off, someone is unable to claim something right now, not ready to listen. Lover is upset, you to them, them to you, both of you are equally involved, and both of you are upset. The Lover situation is disturbed here, and someone is not allowing something. Okay, here you go. There is constancy, and there is this female vibe. So some of you might be exactly going this format of situation where female vibe is really like in this situation, because something happened, it, and then your lover might be the male energy here, getting agitated, and they want it, and the way they were showing this, like boom boom, keeping the glass, because why you're not listening to me, or kind of energy that they want to express but they can't be angry on you because they want you to know that how much I love you, kind of energy. Okay, so they had their own issues, or they had their own troubles or problems. Okay, fine, you had problems, but what am I supposed to do now? Because you never shared that stuff with me. You did the cutoff now. Okay, lover from this energy is giving me the energy of like lover from the past, but something changed you. Now there is someone who is hard enough, like cold enough, strong enough, maybe rude at times, happened because of certain situation. So you are strong, standing on the pillar, and that your answer is not changing. I feel the answer is still no, or something is in 50-50. Like kind of energy when someone who's not getting, and here I'm not getting the word manipulated, okay, but I am feeling like not getting convinced, basically. So let's put that in simple, subtle way, like not getting convinced kind of energy. That's what I see. Like making way is going to be difficult. Someone is going to be possible before your eyes. I have this card in this, okay, that was at the bottom, but we are going to see the shuffle. Okay, so in order to see what is oh god, I just shuffled it and you got it the same. So something is going to be before your eyes. Your lover is going to be before your eyes. The message from the past lover is going to be, or the past person, okay, someone who was officially not your lover, which means you never dated that way, you never confirmed something with a person, something was not that convenient for the other energy, or was not that proper way, and that is why it never went into that continuation of something. Makes sense? So someone who never possible you dated, okay, please listen to my words again. So I think the one who never became your lover or something like that kind of energy is going to be before your eyes, okay, and they're going to give you those, reasons, like I can't love you, kind of, okay. Maybe this is your energy and you're going to end up saying I can't love you, I can't love you. Your person is going to be in front of you, the one you were connected prior, they're going to be in front of you, and you may say I can't love you, and that might be going with constancy, sorry. Okay, we need shuffle. Past person, and I heard the words wanting approval or approval. What was the word? Past person, approval. I feel like someone does want certain kind of approval from you, like can we meet, can we talk, can I call you, like there's a request, okay. Now nothing like dragging someone down or something, or not out of sympathy. It's just that someone is requesting here before they fix certain meeting, or maybe this is kind of like appointment, because one is busy now, I don't know. But the past person is going to be before your eyes, and the calendar is like the time just moved on, and it's going to be as a surprise coming in front of you. Someone is going to come in front of you as a surprise element, kind of, okay. I'm also hearing can we fix it. That's a song, kind of. No, it's not. It's a Korean song or something. Okay, it's a highway call. Someone is going to be direct, and it's like they know that there's no other way but this way to talk to you or to reach to you, or they are going to talk straight that this is what I have. Because I feel the one is not having time. I feel you don't have time for any kind of chit chat or something, like I can't love you, kind of like I can't love such a person, I can't respect, or whatever happened between you. So it's something like someone is taking a highway thing, kind of like, okay, and with you it won't work, like it is yes or no. What? So it's like a laugh, okay, but not to disrespect anyone, but it is kind of energy that is coming. So please be subtle, please be calm when you listen, because situations are different for different people, okay, and it's not at all funny that people are going through ups and downs, and especially love matters, it's very difficult, okay. And I feel like with this lover energy is all messed, kind of, okay. But when I shuffle this deck, I stopped, and we need to discuss the bottom energy, and it is Knight of Wands. So maybe this is an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. I feel like something was not designated means it was not confirmed, it was not confessed, it was something that happened and went kind of energy. But now it is upcoming event. Now I feel like someone is coming. This may be the return. That's how I'm picking the energy. Someone may end up talking to you and or wanting to talk to you at least. I mean, like, this is the next phase. They are in, they have an expression of something like, I'm coming. Like, I'm coming. Look at this, okay? But we are going to shuffle it more and see that cards, see the cards, okay? For Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Can you give us the energy? Okay, someone is holding in feelings still, yet not out. They've been thinking. I feel like they've been thinking about you, and somehow you've been thinking. I mean, it's not easy to let loose or let go of someone. Even this is about something. What's that? There's a relieving letter coming, okay? Like in job and all that. Possible for some cases it is that. But in feelings, like, it is something that I am not relieving you, okay? I can't. That feeling is here. Someone is possessive about you, still thinking about you. Maybe they are thinking that, what is that I can do to confess? What is that I can do to let you know that my every energy is for you? And there's a little bit of glow in the heart, okay? So I feel this is person's energy here. And they are really, maybe this is desperation also to some extent, but they really want to talk to you, okay? They really want to. Two of Cups, okay, is the unions we want, or someone who is interested in coming close to you as well. This may be specific word as reunion as well for some of you. But I feel the one who is going to be very happy looking at you, okay? They really want to ask, are you happy? It's a certain kind of confession coming, and this is about something that they really want you to allow and want, you know, like it's the energy of allow it. I can't even put that like recording 10, 12, 12 is there. Allow it is coming with this card, which is interesting because like someone is patiently waiting for your answer here. I feel that kind of energy, and they are going to contact you. I feel like they have big plans, okay, and something is glowing like they're about to release news, okay, to you possible. Oh my love, I'll be there with you. Feels right, feels right. Let's see. I hope you people enjoy the readings. I hope you get benefit. Thank you for donations, subscriptions, likes. Thank you for everything that you've been doing, okay? The lost cases will be released, okay? I heard that, especially with these two cards. I'm going to take them. The tension giver, huh? But with the lovers, there's also Gemini. But with lovers, it's high time unions happening. The real time and the meant to kind of energies coming in picture, okay? Here you go. What I said, 9 of Swords and lost cases coming in picture with the 5 of Pentacles, okay? It is what you might have gone through with the person, and maybe it is the current phase of the situation that's going to unleash itself in the coming picture, like in the coming time. I see like something is going to happen after the 9th month, when winters will start, like the season, the sensation, the feeling of the winds, the time when changes, when a little bit of cold is there but not too much is there, kind of energy. Like it's giving me the vibe of like season will change with the concept of feelings coming in, and when the warmth is so much needed, the lost cases will be released, okay? So that kind of message is coming when I am looking at 5 of Pentacles and 9 of Swords. How you want to take it that way, okay? But I see like something will grow, okay? It is connected with something was supposed to but happened, challenges, regulations, things lost, wounded situations, felt cold kind of, but it is supposed to be something, whatever was, is going to happen. The second thing, person is going through with this concept as well. They are about to contact you. They are going to. In the winter, someone is going to contact you. I did one of the readings I mean, I do so many readings, but one of the readings I said, like it is connected with the title with jingle bell, like kind of nearby Christmas and all that stuff. I hope people make good choices. You know, it's really important, because I feel with this, someone is not ready to lose you. I mean, they know you are the one, okay? Many of you are with your lovers here. So if you are already, you're going to overcome something that is challenging or was challenging. Decisions, highway decisions, okay? Something like that. Big decisions, proud decisions, boom boom decisions, okay? But this is King of Swords. Aries, what? Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. I apologize, I don't know why. Maybe this person looks like an Aries. So everything will be under control. I feel that kind of energy. If I feel like I can do it, I am. This is you're ready with your armor on, and this is in your future. What is in future connected with this King of Swords? Some of you, oh, okay. So some of you might be dealing, or I feel you know them, okay? So let's just say you might be dealing already with another Aquarius, specific Aquarius I'm telling you, or Gemini or Libra, but Aquarius as well, okay? So I feel, and someone asked me even, so if you're watching this reading, okay, if you're dealing with another Aquarius, I feel they're upset, okay? So whatever is, maybe this is a pattern, or this is something happened, maybe they wanted commitment, okay? So if you're dealing with another Aquarius, feelings can reciprocate, goes vice versa. I want to tell you that. Like people who are Aquarius, supposedly, if you are talking about one Aquarius here, or Libra or Gemini, because these are for all. So if an Aquarius is dealing with another Aquarius, okay, what is happening? Again, if you are not going through those feelings, the person is going through. If this is not happening, another sign might be there, okay? So feelings may reverse like that. So possible someone is feeling that this is the only way, or one person is not figuring out what they want, okay, not letting me go, not doing anything. I feel commitment issues as well here. Stress regarding that, what is in the future? What are we for in the future? So here, I just want to connect. Maybe you people are going through arguments of settling something, okay? How much important they are. Possible someone is, if you're dealing with an Aquarius, and if you are a male energy, if you are male energy in Aquarius or Gemini, Libra, I feel like they are seeking assurance or some commitment here. If it's not done yet, then that's the problem, okay? Even sometimes when commitment is done, assurance is never given that way, which means you're not respecting something, okay? There's approval that someone wants, there is assurance that someone wants, there is offer that is coming all the way. Someone can't camouflage it anymore, like they miss you, okay? However, this is also your own energy, but let's see. Now I feel in the future, beyond this, there may be King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And the way I started the reading, when I just like on this card I said Aries, so possible an Aries, but Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you know this person, you knew this person. I feel this person is going to initiate something with the Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough coming. Okay, so some of you, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, dealing with exact Aquarius. However, this is for Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, so for everyone out there. But this Ace of Swords is real-time communication. There's a call possible coming. There's initiation. This person is going to manifest here in the future. So in the future, you're going to hear from someone, okay? I hope this is going to help you. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.